Good morning. So in the last video we opened up day 6 and 7, I believe. So I'm gonna open up day 8 and let's see what we've got here. Let's look in the box and see what we get here. Day 8 looks like it's pretty small, so we might open at least 2 in this video, but we'll see. This is it. It is a tiny chestnut. Still way better than day 6, but this is very small. I'm gonna go ahead and open another one. I think I will crochet this, but I want to open another one just because this is so small. So let's see what the next one is as well. So this was day 8. Let's open day 9. A tiny skate. This is kind of lame. So tiny ice skates. I really don't see the point in making these. I can save this yarn and make maybe something more interesting later. I don't want to make tiny inanimate objects like that. Like a little chestnut is fine. A smaller project of like a little bird is fine. Like the chestnut is kind of cute, but something like ice skates and skis have no personality. They're way lacking. Anyway, so I'm gonna save this yarn for a different project. I'll just put this in my yarn stash and maybe eventually use it for something else that would be better than skates. Honestly, I wonder if I should just open the rest of them because I don't feel like it's gonna get really better for the rest of the advent calendar. I think they got the main big things out of the way early on, like the red cardinal I actually really liked because I love the color and the bird is actually really cute. The snowman was okay. I didn't really have any gripes about it. Like, it's fine. The squirrel I was bored with because it was white and light gray, so there wasn't a high color contrast and it just seemed kind of boring. The reindeer was okay. The fawn, that one was fine. The tiny cardinal was fine too because I like the red color. It's nice and bright. It was kind of cute. It was fine. And then we got skis. Those were not fine. Skates, not fine. Although I'm not as angry about the little skates as I was the little skis. Anyways, I'm going to crochet this. I would rather save this yarn for something else. I feel like a tiny chestnut is going to be a little boring for this video, so let's see what day 10 has. Alright, day 10. Let's open this up. Okay, this is cute. This is decent. Okay, I like this. Okay, a little hot cocoa cup. Adorable. This I'm fine with. Okay, I'm gonna crochet this and the chestnut. I almost feel like I should just open the rest of them because we're already on day 10, so there's 2 more, and if the last 2 are pretty tiny, then that's not a lot of, it's not a lot of like oomph. It's not a lot of content for our next video. Let's pull out day 10 and 11. Let's see the rest of the advent. Alright, I've got them right here. 11 and 12. We're just gonna open all of the rest of these today. Okay, these are okay. So we're gonna crochet little sweaters for the cardinals. Way better than the skis and the skates. So we can do this. Day 12. Oh my gosh, I'm ripping the box. Okay. Yeah, I feel fine opening all of these today because the last one isn't even a project you can work on. The last one is a little Wooble snow globe, which I'm not mad at. It is cute, like this is fine, but it's not a project I can work on. It has the cardinal, the snowman, the fawn, oh, the squirrel. Yeah, this is fairly cute. I actually don't have a snow globe, so I have a snow globe now, although I want like a nice decent sized snow globe, but I haven't been able to find one that I like yet. So whenever we've gone out shopping, I just haven't found the right snow globe for me yet, but maybe I'll do a close-up. Alright, let's do a little close-up. The snowman, the cardinal, the fawn, the squirrel. It's kind of cute. I'm not mad at it. I'm mad at those skis, but I'm not mad at this. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to crochet the cardinal sweaters, the hot chocolate, which is, I'm probably the most excited about this one because I like little cups. I like coffee and hot chocolate. It's really cute and cozy, so I'm not mad at this one. And then the chestnut is fine. So we're going to be crocheting these for this video. Here's what the beginning of the chestnut looks like. So the bottom is the tannish color, and now I need to switch to the brown. So I'm going to do that, and then this is going to be done very quickly. Okay, the chestnut is done. This was very quick. Whoop, I dropped it. This was very quick to make. It's super tiny, but I mean, it's better than the skis and the skates. So let's move on to the next one. All right, the sweaters for the cardinals. I honestly don't think I'm gonna make the tiny sweater because I really don't feel like it. I think I'm just gonna make the bigger one. Or I don't want to crochet a tiny one, so there's the little card. This color is actually really pretty. And then there's white, light gray, and that's it. Actually, do I even feel like making the sweaters? I think I like the birds more without the sweaters. Honestly, I feel like the birds are cuter without them. I might actually just save this yarn and make something else with it. Because I don't want to force myself to make something I don't feel like making. Then it just becomes a chore. Yeah. I'm going to save this yarn. And we're just going to move on to the hot chocolate. I feel like I could make something better than tiny sweaters that aren't probably going to even fit them very well because of their shape. So I'm going to save this. And let's open up the hot chocolate. Here's the little hot chocolate cup, which is actually very cute. We've got orange, white, and brown. Okay, I'm gonna pull up this pattern and start working on this. Okay, so I just finished the cut part. It's pretty cute. Now I need to do the hot chocolate. So that's going to be the brown yarn and then little bits of white to look like marshmallows. And then the last project of the 2024 Wooble Advent Calendar will be done. Okay, so the little hot chocolate Wooble is done. Now it's gonna be time to place these on the Christmas tree as ornaments. It was a choice doing the loop in the middle of the hot chocolate. I wonder if I should have done it at the handle, but it's too late to change it now. It is as it is, and I'm not gonna change it. So let's place these on the Christmas tree. Okay, so I want to do a quick little recap on to see if this was really worth the price tag. My husband got this for me as a gift for about $140, and let's just see if we think it's worth it. So we got a cardinal, we got a snowman, we've got a squirrel, a fawn, a tiny cardinal, which is upside down, that's how it goes, a hot chocolate, and a chestnut. We also got 5 crochet hooks. These are the ones I didn't want to crochet because I don't feel like they were worth it. I did really like the little tin, and I do like the snow globe. Hi, Timmy. You want to play? You're a silly boy. All right, for me, if I was inside a store and I saw little kits, I would think it was worth purchasing each of these larger ones for maybe $10. So 10, 20, 30, 40. To me, this is about a $40 value right here. Now, for these tiny ones, I would think maybe $5 for a kit so tiny and giving you so little in return. So let's just say those are worth $40 and these 3 are worth $5, $10, $15. That's about, let's say the ones that I made up, in my mind, I would value them at maybe $55 in total. The tin I really do appreciate. It's super cute, and I'm able to put all of the tapestry needles and markers in this. Alright, so I put all of my extra safety eyes, stitch markers, and tapestry needles in this tin. And you know what? I'm going to be generous with this one and say I would spend maybe $10 for all of this together. I think that would be really cute. It's super handy to put inside your purse, and the design on it is adorable. So let's give this a value of $10. Alright, now we're going to look at the snow globe and the crochet hooks that came with the kit. I personally feel like the only crochet hook I really like is this one because there's a design on it. It makes it more fun, more cute. I don't see the point in why they put 5 crochet hooks of the same size in this kit when they could have done just this one and maybe replaced these crochet hooks with something else and more fun. If they had designs on them, maybe a special design for each one that went with each Wooble, like maybe snowmen printed on them, or the squirrel or the deer or the cardinals printed on them. But being just a plain color, they're kind of boring and they're all the same size, so they seem kind of pointless to have multiples of the same size crochet hook. I feel like it would have been better just to open this crochet hook on the same day, or on the first day, and then for each project you just use this one, because this was more fun and enjoyable to use and look at than these plain colored ones. What would we value these crochet hooks at? So I think I'm going to value all of these crochet hooks as a set as maybe like $10 of value within the kit. The snow globe, I could see someone paying $10 for this because it's branded and it has like all of the Woobles that you made in the advent calendar, so I'll be generous and give this $10. So the sweaters, the ice skates, and the tiny skis, I feel like they're pointless. They're not fun. They don't add anything special to this. I mean, I could maybe throw a couple dollars at it as counting as little yarns that I could use for something else. So I'm being generous and I'm gonna just say maybe this yarn is worth $10. In total, I think the value of this kit would be maybe, if I priced it how I've said in the video so far, it would total up to I think $85. And this advent calendar costs about $140. So I say I don't think it's worth what you pay for it. It was kind of fun making these and having something to open, but I do think that the Woobles is very overpriced. So I'm just going to end this video here. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you have a good day. Okay, bye!